What's up everybody, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be telling you how to make a professional business logo. Now before I even start, I just want to make it clear that if you really want the best of the best top of the line logo, then you're more than likely going to have to pay for it. Now you can try to make your own, but it's more than likely not going to come out nearly as good as compared to what a professional can do. Now in this video I'm going to be giving you the top 5 best websites and apps that you can use to make your professional logo. On this channel, I teach you how to be successful and live better. So if you're into either of those two things, make sure you go like, comment, and subscribe. Number 1, Wix Logo Maker. Now a lot of us might know Wix for their easy access to websites, but you could also make a logo with Wix. Now Wix can give you a high-resolution logo to download for digital use or printing, and you can use this logo anywhere as far as your social media to a billboard. And on top of this, like I said, Wix is known for websites, so if you wanted to make a website through Wix, then making your logo with them can keep you all on the same platform. Number 2, TailorBrands.com. Now as soon as you enter onto the website, as you can see, you jump right into by typing in your business name. And if you click on logo ideas, you can see the website gives you countless of business genres that lead you to ideas for your logo. And lastly, if you click on products, you can see it gives you numerous of options from as far as your own website domain to your own business email. Then it jumps down to stuff like business cards. Number 3, Canva.com. Now as soon as you jump into the main page of this website, you can see that it focuses more on all digital design rather than just a logo. So you could use this for your logo and also be more familiar with it if it came in handy to be used for its other features. These other features are things such as presentations, posters, infographics, flyers, logos, Instagram posts, and even more. Number 4, OnlineLogoMaker.com. So this website is supposed to be free and fast, as they say, as you can design your logo in less than 10 minutes while using their free logo maker. They also say that this comes with full branding and you can save your projects as many times as you want with unlimited downloads. Number 5. So for number 5, I'm going to be giving you apps that can do the same thing and build a nicely made professional logo. So number 1, Logo Maker Shop, and that has a 4.7 out of 68K rating. Number 2, then you have Canva, who also has their mobile app and has a 4.9 out of 702K rating. Then 3, Logo Maker, and that has a 4.7 out of 92K rating. Then 4, Icona Logo Designer, and that has a 4.4 out of 102K rating. And 5, Logo Maker Vintage Logo, and that has a 4.8 out of 7.4K rating.
I don't use my phone, I've been rapping like it's CNC. Yeah, people need to see the strengths of reality. Go make it clear that we won't see no outcome. Still a test and start to face the fears. It's easy to pretend that all the problems will just disappear. When it seems we're hurt, we're getting older, we'll just laugh it out. Worry about the things which we shouldn't even worry about. I learned that when we do not do the things to help us make it out, we build a tons of negativity that still won't air it out. At age 13, most